Aleister Crowley used the Hebrew system of Gematria to determine the number value of Aiwass as 78 after the reception of the Book of the Law. 78, of course, is the same as the tarot. So let's look at the values of Gematria and 78. 78 is the sum of the numbers from 1 to 12, and MZLA, the influence from Kether. On this, Crowley says, most venerable, because MZLA is shown as the influence descending from on high, whose key is the tarot, and we possess the tarot. 12 is the mystic number of Kether as Hua, which means he. 12 is the number of the Magus, and 12 is also the number of the hanged man. "78 is 6 times 13. 13 is the number of the paths above Tipareth. 13 is Achad, unity, and Abba, love. 13 is the number of the beard of the Macroprosopus in the Supernal triangle. 78 is HYKL Abba, the Briatic palace of Chesed, which connects to Malkuth. 78 is ChLM Dream, which allows the unconscious to connect with the conscious. 78 is Enoch, which means to initiate, and the name of the Patriarch Enoch. LchM is bread, sustainer of life, and MLCh Salt is a preserver and an important alchemical concept. Ozel is the name of a giant, and Zamal, angel of Mars. In the tarot we have Wazalel and Mabahol, angels of the Two of Swords, peace, Kedemi, angel of 5 of discs, worry, and Avmal, angel of the 10 of Wands, oppression. So Aiwass is the spirit and messenger of Liber Alveol Legis as 78, and by the rules of Gematria, Aiwass and the tarot are identical.